Good morning and welcome to a coffee video. So today we're going to make this beautiful pumpkin spice latte. So this one's slightly different. I know I've made a pumpkin spice iced latte video before, but this one is an oat shaken espresso, and it's got a cold cream on top. It's really hard to show the top. It's got the cold cream on top. There, you can probably see just about there, and the cold cream, of course, that's non-dairy. The oat milk, that's non-dairy. So this is perfect for anyone who has any dairy issues or just likes the taste, like I do, of oat milk. Oat milk and pumpkin spice, perfect combination. And today's kit list. So we're going to need a coffee machine. So I'm using the Breville Barista Max. This one's about 4 years old. Done loads of coffee, still really good. Still good quality, still brilliant espresso, good steam, good little machine. I think it's a really good starter machine. I'm glad I got it, really glad. So here we go, just normal household scales. That's so that we get the right amount of espresso. I've got 2 glasses there, one for ice, and I've also got my shaker. I've got my pumpkin spiced, that's from Simply. Really good quality product. I've got a bit of cinnamon, and obviously I've got my Oatly cream and my Alpro oat milk. I've also got my whipper there as well to make the cold foam on top. There we go, so that's all we need, so let's get on with it. As in all my videos, I'm going to run through the making the espresso part. Really important. First thing we're going to do, switch on the household scales, and I'm going to weigh the group handle and then zero down the scales so that I've got a zero balance with the group handle on top. And then I'm going to grind, and I'm looking for 14 grams of coffee. Give that a try, we'll give that a weigh. I'm just going to level it out a little bit. Okay, that says 15, but that's okay, I'm happy with that. So, next thing to do, 3 stages: level, tamp, give it a good tamp, and wipe the top so that we don't get any coffee grind up inside the machine. Then we're going to engage the group handle into the machine, and we're going to get an espresso cup. These are really nice little espresso cups. Yeah, I think they're about £8 at Starbucks, but they do the job really well. Really, really good. There we go. So I've pressed the button on the machine to give me a 2-shot. And I want the coffee coming relatively close to the back of the cup if I can. That's going to give me a good crema. Just takes a few seconds. It's going to give me a fantastic looking espresso. Really good flavour. These are Brazilian Santos beans. They're a whole bean, they're an Arabica bean, obviously they come from Brazil. And this bean is kind of a mixture between Starbucks and Costa Coffee. So if you like something a little bit smoother, you like the Costa Coffee espresso, but you want something with a little bit more flavour, but not too much, then this is the one for you. It gives a great crema on the top. I think it's a great, lovely, in the middle kind of medium flavour of coffee. There we go. So there is our espresso. I'm going to put it over there. I'm just going to pick you up and bring you along with me to have a look. There we go. Perfect. I could drink that on its own. I wouldn't need to make any other coffee. Okay, so first things first, this is a shaken espresso, so we're going to use the shaker. I'll put a bit of ice. Ooh, last one. I'm going to put some pumpkin spice. And I'm going to put my coffee shop. Okay, make sure it's sealed. And shake it. Okay. So you can feel that from the outside, it's nice and cold. It's got the flavour in it. It's ready to go. Right, so now we're going to make the pumpkin spice cold foam as well. So we're using an Oatly, there we go, cream. That's a dairy free. I'll pop that in. And then so that it's pourable, I need to add a little bit of oat milk. I use Alpro, I think it gives the better finish, a better flavour. Just a drop of that. A couple of pumps of pumpkin spice. And then to try and give it a bit more of a kick, I'm going to add, there we go, some cinnamon. That's on its merry way. I'll bring you over and show you. So the one thing it doesn't have that you might notice is the really strong orange colour, and that's just down to the syrup. So the syrup in Starbucks must have a heavier colouring in it than the Simply syrup, but in terms of flavour, exactly the same. Okay, so we've got our cup. I've put some ice in there, ready. There we go. And now I'm going to pour the espresso. I'm going to pour the milk. I'm going to try and be gentle with my pour so that I get that nice swirl of coffee and milk as we go through. There we go. Just waiting for the other bit to finish. There we go. There's the beep. I'm going to just bang the jug because I want to get rid of any big bubbles, and then we're going to layer on top that cold foam there. And keep going. And keep going. Perfect. Then again, I'm going to get the cinnamon, give it a shake on top, and there we have it. A beautiful espresso shaken oat pumpkin spiced latte. I'm going to dive straight in for the taste test. I could do with a straw. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Here we go. So I'm going to go put the straw in. Now I like to give it a good mix because I like to get all those flavours. I like the cream, pumpkin spice. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Really, really nice. You can tell I like it because I'm going in for another again. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this. Really easy make, really fast, really cheap. Compared to what you pay for it if you went to a coffee shop. I'm sure you'd be paying £5 at least for this, and I think this one I would guess around about £1.20. So really good to make at home. You make it in a travel mug, put your lid on, got your straw, off you go, get in the car, go to work. 5 minutes work. Perfect. Save yourself a fortune. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly enjoy shaking the espresso. It's the first time I've done that. that was a kind of a trial run, but I'll put it straight out on video there so you can see exactly how it all worked out. So yeah, have a go yourself. Let me know in the comments how it went, and obviously I'll get back to you. Let me know if there's anything that I could do that's different, because well open to any kind of comments like that. So yeah, enjoy making it yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.